everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today I am making a healthy baked chicken nuggets recipe. But today's episode is extra special because I am doing my very first collab here on YouTube with my friend Chris from WhatChef. Now, if you like food recipes and food reviews, please go check him out. He does all that and more. And for today's collab, he's going to be making a traditional chicken nuggets recipe. So after watching my chicken nuggets recipe, definitely go check his out. So, as always, if you like baked recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So to make these chicken nuggets recipe, I did a lot of reading online to see what really makes chicken nuggets moist inside and crunchy on the outside. And one thing that I kept reading over and over is how Chick-fil-A does it. And what they do is they use a pickle brine to first soak their chicken nuggets in, or the chicken in. So that is what I did. I just took my chicken breasts, and I'll go ahead and open it for you. And I cut it up into little cubes, and I have it soaking in pickle brine. So that is just the juice that is left over from pickles. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna dump all this pickle brine out and really pat dry the chicken nuggets, and then I'll show you what's next. All right, so I drained all the pickle juice, and I have all the chicken over here just on a cloth, just drying. So while that is drying, I have 1 egg here and 1 egg white. So I'm just going to mix that up and add some salt and pepper to it. And give it a good mix. All right, and then over here, I have some traditional breadcrumbs. This is just Italian breadcrumbs. I've got some Japanese breadcrumbs, panko, and then a little bit of paprika, smoked paprika. So I'm just gonna mix this, and this is just your traditional dredging station. So we're just gonna be dumping each little piece into that egg wash and then into the breadcrumbs. And then over here, I just have a aluminum tray that I've sprayed with some Pam. So after I'm all ready, I will show you how this works. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just take little chicken pieces like this. I am using chicken breasts, but you can use chicken thighs as well. You just dump it here in that egg mixture and then drip all the excess off, and then just take a fork, cover it completely, pat it real in, and then shake off all the excess and put it on your tray. So there you go. You just keep doing that to each and every one of these pieces, and work slowly so you can really coat each of the pieces with the breadcrumbs, because that is where all the crispiness is gonna come from. So just keep working. All right, so now that all of my chicken is nice and breaded, I'm just gonna spray it with a little Pam on top so that the tops get nice and crispy. And now in a 425-degree oven, these are gonna bake for 8 to 10 minutes. And then after that, just flip them over to the other side and bake for additional 5 minutes, and then you should be good. But I'll show you guys when it's all nice and done. All right, so while my chicken nuggets are baking, I just wanted to make a quick little special sauce to dip it in. So I'm gonna be making a garlic aioli. So in front of me, I have some Greek yogurt and some light mayo. To that, I'm just going to add 2 things, a little bit of garlic and some salt and pepper, and that is it. So, salt and pepper. I've got about 2 to 3 cloves of garlic that I've minced up really well. But if you are like me and love garlic, feel free to add more. And to kind of lighten this up, that's why I kind of use the Greek yogurt and not just all mayo. Definitely adds that same kind of tang to the taste, but with way less calories. All right, so this is good. This is what I will be baking or dipping my baked chicken nuggets in. All right, guys, those look beautiful. And I love how just homemade they look, because it just gives that extra little bit of specialness to this dish. So I've got my aioli here on the side. I'm going to take just this one right here. It's still kind of hot. Let me just open it up for you guys. Oh, you can just tell it is nice and soft and oh. So I definitely think that pickle brine that had it soaking made a huge difference. So I'm just gonna take this, take a little bit of that aioli. That aioli is so garlicky, that crust is so crispy, the chicken inside is so moist. That is delicious. All right, so you definitely have to give this recipe a try. If you haven't gotten your fill of chicken nuggets recipe, definitely check out my friend Chris from WhatChef. I'll leave his video link in the description below so you can check it out and see his version of the chicken nuggets recipe. And please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced. Collabing with a YouTube friend, a friend here on YouTube.